Although the currencies mostly used in foreign exchange markets are the USD, GBP, and Euro, most countries around the world have their own currencies and some of them even surpass the value of the three mentioned above. Let's take a look at the world's most expensive currency at the moment, comparing them to the US dollar and trying to find out why they are this pricey. From dollars to francs, pounds, and dinars, this list has everything including today's currency exchange rates. Before starting our list, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start our countdown. Number 5. British Pound Sterling. The UK is currently the third largest economy in Europe and it chose to preserve its national currency instead of transitioning to the euro. Most of the country economy comes from financial services, insurance and a bit of manufacturing, and when the rest of Europe was in turmoil due to the recession, the UK still registered economical rises, with a growth of over 2.5% since the beginning of 2014 and a pretty big drop after Brexit. Currently, 1 pound sterling is worth 1.34 USD dollars. Number 4. Jordanian dinar. It is quite rare to have a country which relies on foreign assistance for its basic needs on this list. Jordan is certainly an anomaly as it imports most of its energy and doesn't even have sufficient water or oil as might be the case with the other Middle Eastern countries. It shared the same currency as Palestine from 1927 to 1959, but with its independence in 1946, it sought to get its own currency in the shape of the Jordanian dinar, which is currently worth 1.41 USD dollar. Number 3. Omani Rial. The Sultanate of Oman is an Arab country on the southeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula and it doesn't have as many oil reserves as its neighbor. Still, by 2010, it was considered one of the most improved nations in the last 40 years with a high-income economy. Its economy is currently quite diversified but still depends a lot on oil exports, with tourism increasing in the region and industry or agriculture taking only a small part in the overall income. They seek to reduce the country dependency on the oil prices and focus on alternative sources of income, which they managed to do with some success, till now putting the national currency, the Omani Rial, at a worth of 2.600 USD dollar. Number 2. Bahraini Dinar. Another Gulf state which bases most of its economy on oil, Bahrain is a small island country on the western shores of the Persian Gulf. It is quite amazing how this little country managed to use its natural resources to the fullest, with an industry which relies a lot on petrol and also impressive financial services and tourism options, which increased Bahrain wealth a lot. The freest economy in the region uses the Bahraini dinar, which is currently worth 2.65 USD dollars. Number 1. Kuwaiti Dinar. Although the state of Kuwait is also a relatively small country, it has the most expensive currency in the world. The Kuwaiti dinar currently being worth 3.31 USD dollar. Its economy is based primarily on petroleum, which covers almost half of the GDP and no less than 94% of the export revenues. It has the second largest stock exchange in the Arab countries and they had the initiative when it came to move away from oil exports and seek new ways of improving the economy. But these efforts didn't go a long way due to the tense relationship between the elected parliament and the government that prevented any economic reform. With all its problems, the economy of the country still experienced rise to its small business sector. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.